Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. Where is the end of the scotch tape? It makes us mad. Avoid unnecessary scratching with our tip. After using the scotch tape, slide back the end of the tape. This way it won't stick to itself. Another solution is to attach a piece of paper to the end of the scotch tape. You will get the same result. This way you can spare a lot of time and annoyment.
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.